is your gift to God. A blissful evening, Sinai, joining this prestigious battle of great knowledge, beauty, talent, and personality is a 24-year-old Miss Planner and a proud farmer, hailing all the way from the home of the Guling Festival, Municipality of Paway, Province of Ilocos Norte, and a bona fide graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English Language at Mariano Marcos State University. My name is Aika Galinado Balais, and I believe in the Ilocano saying, "Nutidanungkit na gamoy ti bantay, ay, upok daytay." Ngayon, nutidanungkit na gamoy ti botelya, ay, mineral water daytay. Ngayon, nutidanungkit na gamot, salt water daytay. Ngayon, tinanongkit na gapo iti tao, Diyos niya, Nina, kanin dalong dayta. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.